Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I thought I would basically show you the new version of the cover letter generator that I created, which uses ChatGPT. With the rise of GPT, I thought it would be cool to show you the newest version and how ChatGPT adds better results and the results are more cost effective. So with the rise of employment and people applying for jobs, I think it's very important to include a cover letter to stand out. Think about it like this: if there's 100 people that apply and only 30 submit cover letters, you can submit a cover letter and be 31 out of that 100. So those numbers aren't too bad, and that's why I suggest that you always send a cover letter. So let's jump right into it and generate a cover letter using AI. So writing style, we're going to choose, let's say, professional. Platform, you could choose any platform you want depending on the job. Right now, let's choose Indeed. Industries, information technology. The tone we're going to do is formal, the company name. So let's go to Indeed and let's pick a job. We're going to pick, what do we want to apply for? Help desk and field tech. Okay, that's company name. Copy that. Okay, position. Copy that. No, wrong one. Okay, job description. Let's copy that. Okay, requirements. Copy that. Okay, straight to the point. Easy, right? Education, we could say we have a bachelor's in information technology. Okay, certification, let's say something simple. A plus cert and network plus. And then we could say CompTIA. Okay, now let's skills. So for this option, there's two ways you could go about it. You could choose skills from just looking at sample resumes, or you could use our tool and you could generate skills based on the position name. So let's try that. Let's copy this, see what this is, and then let's copy position, and then we're going to generate skills. Press that. But you can pretty much enter any skills you want depending on what job it is or what experience you have. So the skills that came up are, I don't really like these skills, so let's try again. Okay, let's wait a second. Okay, these skills are way better. So now let's copy these skills. Way better. Okay, so now we'll X out of that. We can paste it into here. Okay, now previous job, we could say we worked Okay, we could say we worked at Florida State IT department for 5 years. I made it very generic and very straight to the point and very simple. And you can include projects or special things that you did. You could say deploy over 500 computer setups. Simple, right? So now that we have all that filled in, we could go ahead and generate the cover letter. So we have that filled in, this filled in, job description, everything good to go. And then let's hit generate. It's loading. These are some of the older ones that I did previously. All right, let's sort by newest one. All right, so these are the results that it came back with. So this is the description and this is the cover letter. So I had you put your name, your address, and all that. You don't have to put that. And this is what it is. It's not bad at all. So basically it goes over the position as a seasoned help desk and field tech with over 5 years of experience working for the Florida State IT Department. I am confident in my ability to provide exceptional technical support when it comes to computer systems, networks, hardware, and software. So pretty much covers that. It covers the education. It covers certifications. It sounds very good. One of our proudest accomplishments was deploying over 500 computers and network setups, which that doesn't sound that good, but you could change it to make it sound better. So it doesn't look too bad. All right, that's pretty much it. So just remember that you could type in your position, generate skills. You could show the skills generated right here. If you want to copy the skills you already entered, you could copy them from here. You could also reset everything, and then this will still be saved your skills, so that's always there. And then if you want to generate more tokens, you could push this button right here to send an email or form once you go on this page. So if you want access to the software, please fill out the form that's included in the description, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible to give you access. And then if you run out of tokens, you could just click this link right here and then fill out the form, and then that way you can also get more tokens. So the form is right here. You can also reply to the email that I sent you initially if you want access or more tokens. All right, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the cover letter generator. I hope you get the job. I know you'll get the job, and have a great day.